In today's episode, I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. So if you're interested in seeing how it all turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. In today's episode, I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now, this collaboration is hosted by Aisha at Events, Decor, and Designs by Aisha. Now, I think this is her third or fourth year hosting this, and it is the Go Red for Heart Health Awareness, and it's a tablescape this year for 2024. And she asked us to decorate a table using pops of red or a red tablescape. Now, if you're interested in finding out how mine turned out, you know what to do. Stick around. My mom recently passed last year on September 27th, and my mom had a quadruple bypass. So this tablescape represents her life. And my mom was very vibrant, and this heart issue was really hard for all of us. But it gave us about 2.5, 3 years more to live with her and to celebrate her life. So I hope you enjoy this tablescape. Let me know what you think about my tablescape down below. You know I enjoy reading your comments. And don't forget to check out the playlist that will be linked below when it becomes available to check out the other participants in this collaboration. And let them know that you stopped by from Stephanie.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day on your parade. Shine you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face. Please, what do I have to do to make you do? Oh, baby, it's you.
Now here's a closer up look of my tablescape. Now each setting is the same. Now the red wine glasses, I thrifted those years ago, and I did a simple black and white and red tablescape. As you see, I used the red pillow covers from Amazon in 2 of the chairs. I tried to keep it simple, but yet really pretty at the same time. Now those red roses came from Amazon, the darker red ones. The lighter red ones came from the Dollar Tree. The vase is a DIY project where I took one that I found thrifting and spray painted it black. The red placemat came from Walmart. The black charger came from Hobby Lobby. The red plate that was purchased at Big Lots. The black and white stripe with the gold rim was a gift from Tammy, the queen of DIY. The black napkin came from the Tablecloth Factory. The rose napkin ring was thrifted, and the red wine glass was thrifted as well. Nothing on this table is new. Everything was already in my stash. I am trying to continue on with the no-spin decor. So let me know what you think down below, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.